Hi guys, how to download MECCHA Chameleon for PC. Now open your preferred web browser, click on the search bar and type in Steam. Click on the very first official link that appears in your search results. Here's a critical warning. Sponsored ads often look like the real site, so always check for store.steampowered.com in the URL. Once on the website, click on the Install Steam button at the top. Then click the blue Install Steam button to download the setup file and install the Steam desktop app on your computer. This takes just a few minutes, so don't rush through it. Open your newly installed Steam app and click on the store's search bar. Search for MECCHA Chameleon, or find it directly if it's trending in the popular search section, and click on the game's page. Here's a pro tip. Double check the game title to avoid clicking on a similar looking DLC. Scroll down the game page and click the green Add to Cart button. On the next screen, click View My Cart and proceed by selecting Continue to Payment. This is where you'll confirm your purchase, so double check the price. Fill out your payment information details and click Purchase. Once the transaction goes through, the game will automatically appear in your Steam library and begin installing via the download section.